Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is on-chain mod, and this video I'm showing you how to send USDT from the RidotPay app to another RidotPay user. So watch this video to the end and don't skip any part so that you don't do mistake for any reason. The first thing I want you to know is this: before you can send any, there are virtually three ways you can send USDT to another RidotPay user. Now the first way is to send either through UID. Now how do you get your UID? You can get your UID by just clicking on this head button right here at the top corner, top left corner, and then you click right here. You see this number here. This is your UID in the app. Now this UID is always very important when it comes to either receiving of airdrop or sending and receiving money directly into this RidotPay wallet, or whenever you want to you are requested to receive money or to send out money or cryptocurrency. This UID is always very important. All right, and you can either decide to do any of them by using just this UID alone. So this is your UID, and this is what is all about. Your UID is just an identity that identifies you in a company, just like Bybit. There is always a Bybit, a UID as well in Bybit exchange or Binance exchange or KuCoin exchange. There is always a Bybit. So here you have a Bybit that identifies your personality here in the app. So if you click right there, you can copy your UID, and then you can use this UID to transact here in this wallet. All right, but right here, um for you to be able to send out, now you have known UID, right? Good. Now for you to be able to send USDT to another RidotPay user, you click on this particular asset section right here, and then after clicking on that asset section, here is here is USDT. Sorry, I want to send USDT, so I'll click on this USDT right here, and then afterwards you click on this send button, and after clicking on this send button, then you click on this place this transfer to RidotPay user. So you click on this RidotPay user. Now you can see the three various ways you can transact. You can transact either using the UID or the email or the phone number. All right, now if you click on this UID, go and request for the person's UID that you want to send token USDT to. You paste it right here. All right, as soon as you paste that UID right here, then you just go ahead and click on next. Okay, you click on next, and then now you can see here that the is not supported because I copied my own personal UID. But if you copy any UID of any user, come here and paste it right here and proceed with the transaction, it is going to the crypto that you want to send is automatically going to be sent to that person's RidotPay account, and that person can see the USDT that you've transacted to his or her account. All right, the same way you can also send either using through email. This email is the email that you use in creating this RidotPay. That is the same email they are going to be adding right here. So the user has to send you his or her email that he or she used in creating the RidotPay account. Then you come right here and paste it here. As soon as you paste that her email right here, you can send out the token. You click on next, and then after clicking on next, you verify the transaction. The crypto is going to be sent automatically to the person. Or the same way, another way is to click on this phone number, then you paste the person's phone number that he used in creating his RidotPay account right here, and then afterwards you click on next, and then you verify the account, and you send the tokens, and it is going to appear in the person's wallet. I hope this is clear enough. Now this is just a short way on how to send out your token from your USDT from your RidotPay account to another RidotPay user externally, and the person is going to receive the token. If this video was very helpful, don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to say subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.